Hello students, Coding Practice Academy will publish series of videos. This is the first of them. Watching not only help you to get concepts but makes you a confident programmer. So please watch carefully and try to understand every concept. In this video, first we concentrate on fundamentals of C language. Our target is to cover from basic to advanced concepts with not only theory rather than practical approach. This topic will cover the area C fundamentals, operators and expression, use of control statement, use of function, use of array, pointer, string, structure, union, file, etc. To become master in any programming language, you need to know how to interact with the computer with the language predefined format and syntax. So you need to understand the language predefined format and syntax. In the context of C language, you need to know more or less the below mentioned things. So let's explore those things. To write a simple or basic program, we need to know number 1, the C character set. Number 2, keywords and identifiers. Number 3, constants. Number 4, variables. Number 5, data type with typecasting. With the help of the above 5, we can construct statements and instructions which in turn becomes a program. So our primary target is to understand language basic. There are some alphabets, digits, keywords, identifiers present in the C language. We need to know all those things before we can write the program. We try to compose all fundamental things in a chart. Here it is. This chart comprises as C character set, tokens in C, data type in C, statements and instructions, and finally the program. C character set consists of alphabet, example capital A to capital Z and small a to small z. Digit, which covers 0 to 9. Special character, example comma, semicolon, question mark, ampersand, asterisk, etc. White spaces, example \n, \t, etc. Tokens in C consist of keywords, identifiers, strings, special symbols, special character, operators. Then what is keyword? Keyword is which have fixed meaning, whose meaning cannot be changed. That is, those are predefined in this language. Example, switch, if, else, char, long, float, int, break, etc. Next is identifier. So what is identifier? Identifiers are those which are not keyword. It is subdivided into two parts, constants and variable. You will find details about identifiers in the upcoming videos. Strings are characters or character sets encoded in double quote. For example, XYZ encoded in double quote. Even you can write your name. If it is encoded in double quote, it becomes a string. Special character or special symbols, example @ hash, ampersand, etc. Operator includes plus, minus, divide, multiplication, modulo division. These are the examples. Data type in C consists of primary data type, derived data type, user-defined data type. Primary data type consists of int, float, char, double. Derived data types array, function, and pointer. User-defined data types structure and union. Using the C character set, tokens, and data type, you can write a program, at least basic program. Then this program is go for compile to check errors, and if successful can execute, thus provide a desired output.